Good day and welcome to the channel. In this short video, we're going to explain how to repair that. That sliding window doesn't always stay up. It sort of slides down as time goes on. Also, today it really hit a new low, which is a big piece of metal fell out of that side, which was not really great. So what is that? Well, that's called a channel stabilizer, a channel spring, window stabilizer. There's a lot of names for it. What you've got in there is a spring with a pulley system on it that holds the window in its current place. Also makes it a lot easier to lift up. Now, let's show you the actual problem and how to repair it. Not very difficult and not very expensive at all if you do need to replace it. So you don't need to call somebody for it. You can do it yourself. So the problem is this little guy right here. You can probably hear it when I wiggle it. You can hear that that's a spring. And that is not locked in there properly, or it's damaged in some way. Watch this when I open this up. There, as you can see, it's dropping out. And now the window won't even stay up. Yeah, that is not good. So how do we fix it? And now you can see the window is all cockeyed. It's not straight. The window balance, channel balance, whatever you want to call it, you can see is visible on this side. Now the obvious question is, how do you pull this sliding window out? Well, it's not very hard, and you don't need any tools at all. In fact, you can just do this with your fingers. Look above the window for a little clip like that one. And most people will simply be able to flip this up with their finger. My nails have just been cut, so I'm actually going to use a nail clipper, but you could use a knife, you could use a screwdriver, use whatever you want. And all you want to do is pop that guy up, just like that. And then do the same on the other side. Now just take your window, straighten it up, and lift it straight up. And what will happen is the window balancer, the channel balancer in here, will hit the clip and become free. Oh, now I can see this one's here, so I'm just going to pull this one out. By the way, yes, this is a one-person job. So push it up, there we go, you can hear it unclipped, and now you can slide the window to one side and pull it out. So let's inspect the window itself, see if there's any damage. This is the side that was working, so you can see what the clip should look like, and that looks very happy. There's nothing at all in the rest of the channel. Let's go to the other side, and it looks to me like that clip is the same. I don't see any damage on it. There's nothing in the channel. By the way, great time to clean the window if you want to Windex the other side here. Okay, now let's look at the channel balancer, window balancer, whatever you want to call it itself. This is the one that's fallen out. And I don't see any broken plastic there. The spring looks to be in very good condition. The pulley system looks to be in good condition. And this doesn't look broken. Interesting. So if I had to guess, I would say that this hook simply came out. So let's explain how this works. It's not complex at all. Basically, you've got this spring on a pulley system, and this hook gets put into the window channel, and what you do is this hook, you can see, takes some muscle, but you can just lift it up. And that is what provides the tension to hold the window up. If you ever need to replace this, you don't need to get the one from your manufacturer. You can get one from anywhere, specifically, Amazon or even Temu. Wherever you get your stuff from is fine, because these are based on weight. And to figure out what part you actually need, the numbers are stamped right here. Sometimes they're in writing like they are on mine. Hard to see, I know, but they are there. Or they're stamped in. But in this case, like I said, I think this one's fine, and it's simply that the hook has come out of the channel. So what we need to do is put this hook back in. Let's do it. To be clear, that little hook down at the bottom will go into a small hole in the window channel and just hook it in, and you're on your way. But I can see in this case that someone has actually chewed out a second one. That was not from the manufacturer. That was done afterwards. Now, it's very normal to have two of them. The higher it is up, the more tension there is. The lower it down it is, the less tension there is. In this case, I can see that somebody, probably the installers, have added this one. So that's where I'm going to put mine. Now, I've seen a lot of guys just try to muscle this. You put your finger on it or a screwdriver and you just try to pull it down, and you pull it down, and that works, but why are you killing yourself? All you have to do, close your clip. Then you can put your channel balancer in, hook it on whichever one's appropriate, and then pull it down. That's an awful lot easier. Then just pull the channel clip back out, and you're on your way. Easy. Now we just take the window and carefully put it back in. Start up high and pull it down slowly. Close your clips. And that's it. That looks very good to me. So hey, if you found this video useful, big thumbs up and to be appreciated. Subscribe is also appreciated. If you have any questions or concerns, you can always get a hold of us directly at www.urtech.ca. That's www.urtech.ca, or you can leave a question or comment below, and if we don't get back to you, somebody else will, because on YouTube, everybody's got an opinion. Thanks and have a great day. Bye-bye.